Wells Fargo account number mobile app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can find out Wells Fargo account number using the mobile app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to find your Wells Fargo account number on the mobile app, what you can do is just simply go ahead and then basically first of all launch the Wells Fargo mobile banking app, and you want to make sure to first sign into your account by using your username and the password and tap on the sign on option. Once you've done that, you can simply select your account, savings account or checkings account, and you can just click on the show details option, and once you've done that, you will be able to see your account number. Now you can also find your account number online by signing into Wells Fargo Online and selecting the account you want. So I hope that this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.